Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I was going to do a really quick tile. Well, this will be a really quick video. And I was going to use, or I am going to use, the same colors I've been using, except I'm going to use silver instead. So I've got my navy, made out of the Ultramarine and the crimson, red crimson. And then my Burgundy, made out of the crimson red. And all the materials will be listed below. And then I've got my Persian, and I am adding Arteza silver. So all the brands, all the colors are listed below. All right, so some of you were complaining about the noise of the spinner, so I took all this stuff off because I'm using press and seal, and then I had taped it on and all this stuff, and it does make a racket. So then when I took all that stuff off, it didn't make a racket at all. It's very silent when you spin it. So I covered it with just one piece of press and seal, didn't tape it on, and didn't cover the base either. So, and when I spin it, it doesn't, but when we get going, it might. So I don't know. If it makes noise, it makes noise. There's nothing I can do about it. I've done everything I could do about it. All right, let's see. I think I will put the navy down first. After this, I'm done with this color palette. I'll mix it up, do something different. All right, I'm gonna put some silver down. So if you guys wanna make some suggestions for color palette, that would be great. This was a suggestion, so I'm always willing to do suggestions. I think I will put just a little drop of more silver on the top of that. There we go. And now the topper. Okay. So I'll blow this out. Whoa. All right, I've been trying to kind of play with how I'm blowing it out, and I'm liking how it's going, but it looks less like blooms now. So now I'm going to try to do it like this and make it look more like a bloom. So I'm not sure I succeeded in that just now, but that's where I'm going in the future. All right, so let it blow in. I'm gonna let that rise back up to the top, and I will be right back. Okay, it's still down a little bit right there in the middle, but I'm getting impatient. It's been 5 minutes. So I am gonna go ahead and spin it out. We'll see if it goes wonky. Live and learn. The color palette though is gorgeous. I'm loving this with the silver. All right, so I did it 3 spins that way. Now I'm going to turn it the other direction. Just 3 good spins. And let's see where we're at. All right. Looking pretty good. We need to go a little bit further, I think. So let's do it. Yeah, it is making less noise now, so I hope that's good for you guys. All right, I am loving that. That is really pretty. All right. I will bring you in for a close-up. I really love this color scheme. All right, bringing you in for a close-up. All right, here is the close-up of this one. I haven't even taken it off the spinner yet. But check out all of that lacing. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? The colors really played well together. So pretty. All right. Well, I will bring you back to see it better when it is dry. Thanks for watching. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here is this little tile, completely dry. So much fun. I am loving the silver with this color combination. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.